There's one she does that's really cute, like... Oh! You got that on video?
That's a YouTube video.
Yeah, you should. Maybe we'll make some money. Here. Okay, you're spilling juice on me. And Asha puked on me.
How are you feeling?
Puked on Josiah. You're spilling.
Oh no.
Yeah.